The Seventh-day Adventist Church, Southeast Kenya Field, in partnership with Greensboro, North Carolina SDA Church, in partnership with Heaven Targeters Ministry, invites you to a mega mission evangelistic campaign that will be happening on 15th to 30th November 2024 at Kenyenya Green Stadium. The guest speakers include Pastor Fadhili Samuel Lubua of Tanzania. Dr. Rose Misati will be taking through family life and guidance and counseling. Pastor Brian Handman from United States of America will be bringing you Bible prophecy, while Robinson Otieno will be doing Bible study. Many invited guest choirs will be bringing their best hymns together with songs of praise that will grace the occasion. Get the Point Media will be live streaming every program from Kenyenya Green Stadium on the said dates of 15th to 30th November 2024 from Kenyenya Green Stadium, where the theme of the Gospel Evangelistic campaign this year is Jesus is coming back again. Jesus is coming back again. As you get the point, you take a step forward.
Get the point. Take a step forward.